that, inshallah, winner, the day of judgment. Subhanallah, subhanallah, subhanallah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. You know, in Surah Yunus, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, هو الذي جعل الشمس ضياء والقمر نورا وقدره منازل لتعلموا عدد السنين والحساب ما خلق الله ذلك إلا بالحق يفصل الآيات لقوم يعلمون. So the sun and the moon are Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us things to draw us closer to Him. And Prophet Muhammad ﷺ told us, أكثروا من ذكر هادم اللذات. Remember death a lot, because death is similar to starting the day of judgment. To you, it did start, you died, it's over. Day of judgment is the same thing. So we don't know. Day of judgment might happen now. And that's why Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was scared. And he rushed to the prayer. It's not like, ya shabab, yalla, hi, Eclipse coming, inshallah. Yeah. Okay, brother, you go ahead, take a picture or two, inshallah, let's pray. Yeah, he's so relaxed and so confident, as if, this is not fair. States, drive to Texas today to watch the Eclipse and put videos about it and talk happily about it. And we are here praying and begging Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for forgiveness. Look at the difference. Look at the hearts. Look at the attachment. Look at the faith. Huge difference. Huge difference.